7 Impressive health benefits of cantaloupe. The humble cantaloupe may not receive the same amount of attention as other fruits, but it certainly deserves it. Not only is it delicious, but it also has 7 very impressive health benefits. 1. Beta-carotene. The cantaloupe outperforms other yellow-orange fruits when it comes to beta-carotene. In fact, it has the same amount of beta-carotene as a carrot. Beta-carotene is converted to vitamin A and helps to combat free radicals that assault your body's cells. Vitamin A is also necessary for the functioning of your eyes, red blood cells, and immune system. 2. Vitamin C. 1 cup of cantaloupe offers more than 100% of the daily vitamin C requirement. Consuming vitamin C-rich foods help to shorten the duration of cold symptoms and boost your immune system. 3. Folate. Folate is well known for its ability to prevent neural tube birth abnormalities such as spinal bifida. It may also aid in the prevention of some malignancies and the treatment of age-related memory loss. 2 cups of cantaloupe provide 74 micrograms of folate, which is about 19% of the daily recommended amount. 4. Water. Cantaloupe has a high water content of over 90%. Consuming cantaloupe keeps you hydrated throughout the day, which is beneficial to your heart. Hydration is also beneficial to digestion, renal function, and blood pressure. 5. Fiber. A high-fiber diet can help you lower your risk of heart disease and diabetes, and lose weight by helping you feel fuller for longer. 6. Potassium. A medium-sized melon wedge has 4% of your daily potassium requirement. Potassium aids in the maintenance of a healthy water balance between cells and bodily fluids. Potassium is also necessary for nerve function and muscle contraction. After exercise, eat a potassium-rich snack like cantaloupe to replace electrolytes. 7. Other vitamins and minerals. Cantaloupe has 1.5 grams of protein per cup. Cantaloupe also contains vitamin K, niacin, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, zinc, copper, manganese, and selenium. All of these health advantages makes the cantaloupe a well-rounded and nutritious fruit. Adding cantaloupe to your diet is a smart way to add nutrients and sweetness into your healthy eating, with only 60 calories and no fat per 1 cup serving. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.